Driven by credit offtake, healthy margins, and resolutions of few stressed assets, the banking and financial services sector is expected to lead India Inc.'s earnings growth for a third straight quarter. A consensus Bloomberg estimate for 17 listed banks pegs net profit growth at around 44% on a year-on-year basis and at 8% on a sequential basis for the January to March quarter. Within the lot, the net profit of private banks may rise 22% YOY, while that of public sector banks may jump 85%.
For banks, net interest margins expand initially when the rate hike cycle starts, but then they tend to flatten out, and that's what we'll see in Q4. Also, FY23, we saw good credit growth around 17%, but with higher rates, we could actually see the credit growth slowing down, especially on the SME and the retail side. However, in terms of net profit and quality of assets, Q4 could be among the best quarter for the banks. But the best of estimates is already priced in, and I don't see any surprises in the earnings.
While analysts caution that the pace of earnings acceleration may slow down in Q4 due to softness in NIMs and elevated OPEX, they expect PSU banks to see better margin performance due to a higher share in MCLR-linked loans in their book and slow pass-through thus far. Against this backdrop, are there any bank stocks that are worth your money?
Typically, I think private banks, some of the private banks are still available and still attractive. For example, ICICI and Axis. But if investors want to take some more risk, of course, PSU banks also look attractive at this point in time.
Narendra Solanki of Anand Rathi too believes PSU banks have more upside than private players due to cheaper valuation.
From valuation basis, some PSBs still trade at significant discount than their private peers, and if performance continues to improve of these public sector banks, we could see some narrowing of the valuation gap.
Overall, analysts are expecting up to 300 basis point contraction in loan growth in FY24 versus FY23. Moreover, with deposit growth still lagging and liquidity running into deficit, management commentary on deposit acceleration and the impact of margins will be key monitorable during Q4 results. Markets are shut today on account of Ambedkar Jayanti. HDFC Bank will report its Q4 result tomorrow. Bloomberg estimate pegs the bank's net profit at 12,116 crore rupees, up 20.5% YOY. NII meanwhile is projected at 32,450 crore rupees.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.